Okay, today I want to show you how you can create your own realistic looking deck. So first you want to make one over here. So we're going to go into structure, beam system, and then the properties. So we have our structural beam system, dimensional lumber, clear spacing. We are going to want to have let's do 4x12, and then you're just going to create where you want it. So say you want your deck maybe to be kind of like that. There we go. So once you do that, you can look at your 3D view again. Let's go over there. So now you got your slats. So it looks like they're a bit thick. So we're going to go click on that again. We'll make our spacing, let's say 1.6 feet. There we go. Check back at 3D now. There, that looks a lot better. So you have your beams right there. Then we're going to go back again. We're going to go to our architecture and our structure, beam system. And now this time you're going to want your dimensional lumber to be a 4x2. So instead of long skinny, it's going to be wide and fat. And you're going to have to edit one of your dimensional lumber types if you don't have a 4x2 already. But then you'll go back over there like that. And then you're going to want to change where your direction's going. So let's make it go right. Clear spacing justification. Where did it go? There's beam direction. We'll have it go this way. And have our nice 1/4 inch spacing, because that's what it'll probably be. Do that right there. And then we can go back to our 3D. And, oh, sorry, I forgot one more quick thing. You're just going to want to make sure you offset that to be 4 inches.